Hello everybody, it's your boy Laz here, and today we're going to be covering part 5 of the NCH software. This is going to be reviewing the Pixillion image converting software. So I'm just going to talk a little bit about image conversion. So it's not that image conversion is for advanced users, but particularly for users that want a specific file type for their images. Image file types vary greatly on quality and resolution. If you want losslessness of the images that you either take a picture of or create, and at least for some purposes, some people might want it at a specific format, as well as some hosting sites as well. If you're sharing your images, you have your very common file formats like JPEGs and PNGs and GIFs and things like that. Everybody else knows, but there's also other specific particular ones as well that others might need to utilize for reasons to capture an image quality at a specific resolution or range, or just to ensure that there's no dithering or pixelization occurring. And that's kind of the benefits for if you want to convert an image from one file format to another one, because you could start off with let's say, for example, you want to start off with a JPEG or a portable networks graphic because you got more variations of a color palette, or if you want transparency or something, but then you want to downscale it or upscale it in some way or form where it still keeps the same format, or downscale it enough where, if you're using it as a thumbnail or something, it will work where, the image quality just doesn't look distorted. So that's the whole idea for image conversion software. So that's pretty much what we're mostly going to be looking at today. The other thing I want to cover for this video in particular is that the images that I'm going to be using are images that I've collected over the years, just surfing the web and being a furry and things like that. And I did not create any of these images at all, and they belong to their respective artists and creators that originally created them. So I don't take any credit for any of the images or anything that you're going to be seeing in this demo video. It's just to see what it can do, what it can't do, how far things can go. So other than that, let's get to the video. Alright everybody, let's check out this Pixillion image converter here, shall we? So let's just go through the whole installation process. Alright, we got our EULA. Oh yeah, no, I do want to accept the terms. Otherwise it won't install. Okay, so alright, so here's a little bit of a preview here. Let me try to... Oh, well, I guess that was it. Guess should have paid attention. Alright, so yeah, let's see what this thing can do. Wow, a lot of output formats. Jesus, a lot of output formats. What the fuck? The docx one's a little weird to have. WDP, I think that's WordPerfect. Oh, ICO, I thought it was ISO. I'm like, why the fuck would you want to save as a disk image? Okay, let's see here. So we got compression settings, we got output format, which I guess we kind of seen over there. Let's see what the menu has. So the file menu, add files, add folder, open output file, combine, launch your other things. Then we have effects. Okay, tools. We can burn images. Suites. And help. And then register Pixillion. So I don't know how far I'm actually going to get with this, because I know with the zip program we were only able to do so much, and then after that it just kind of stopped. So I wouldn't doubt if this is going to have some limits to have, at least. So there's your main menu bar, I guess you could say, or tab. I'd rather say menu bar, honestly. So let's see here. So we got our tabs, we got add files, add folders, select all, remove all, resize, compress. Interesting. Combine, options. We've got our edit, and then our help, and then all the other suites that you can combine together. Let's check out options though real quick. Let's see what we have. So we have overwrite, append file number, replace existing image. Okay, that's kind of nice that you can auto do that. DPI, which is dots per inch. Specify DPI or pixel width to be used in conversion when converting from a non-pixel based format like PDF. Okay, yeah, I guess that makes sense. It only goes up to 300. Okay, or you can specify the output. Okay, well, I know when I do scanning, I do 600. Let's try 600. Okay, background. Specify what to use for background with the input files or transparent. And let's do the checker pattern. That makes it a little bit easier, if it, at least for the test files that I got. But I don't know if I have any that are portable networks graphics, metadata, preserve metadata. That's cool. Other options, we got prompt for opening output file or folder after successful conversion, copy folder structure of source files, prevent conversions where the output file will be larger than the input file. I guess that wouldn't be a bad thing, because generally if you're trying to convert something, you're, I guess in most cases, trying to make it smaller. Let's see, prompt when converted files will be larger than, prompt when converted files will be larger than output file. I thought I already said, prevent conversions where output file will be larger than the input file. And then prompt when converted files will be larger than the output file. Convert to trace SVG using electronic cutting machines. Okay, well, I don't know. I don't know, I guess let's get some images in here. Not from there, but from here. I got some test images, sort of. For animations of video, no, don't care. So I'm pretty sure you can click on it and then it shows you a preview, and then I think you could just convert, or compress, or merge or select images to a single PDF, docx, or TIFF. Oh yeah, okay, yeah, I guess that makes sense to an extent. let's see here. What could I do? What can I do? Let's check out SVG, which I don't think it's going to do anything, to be honest. I think it's probably going to take a very big shit, but let's find out. What? Hold on. No freaking way. Wait a minute. I don't know if... Well, I know for that, but actually, hold on, wait, let me open file, pictures. What? This thing actually saved as an SVG. What? Hold on. Image, PNG. Oh, it just made into a portable networks graphic. I guess. That is really weird. I can't believe it did that. Because usually for SVG images, it has to be a basic image, and that is not a basic image. That is far from being a basic image. Okay, well, that's very impressive there. Oh, whoops. Oh, shit. Yeah, I guess it didn't. Yeah. Wow. Okay. That's very interesting that it was able to do that. Huh. Alright, well, I don't know, I guess let's try some different... Well, okay, I'm really shocked that it actually did that. Actually, so shocked that hold on, I wanna really make sure that this is code. Damn, it did. Wow, it coded the whole freaking thing. Oh, wow, that's very interesting. Wow, okay. Wow, I am very shocked that it actually did that, and it works, and the image isn't broken. Because, like I said, generally for SVG images, it's code. It's code to make an image, and not necessarily in a image format. Whoa, that's very interesting. Okay. Crop flip, watermark. What do you got for filters? Oh, black and white. Oh yeah, edit with PhotoPad. Yeah, I don't think I'm really too worried about editing anything for this, to be honest, because, well, you know, I mean, this is more so you can convert things. What kind of effects do you have here? the original file in the preview. You got borders. Which you could do a lot of things, I guess. I mean, granted, you can't see it, everything's black anyway. You got crop. Whoa, shit. Oh, shit. No, just no change. Filter. Flip. Oil paint. Make it look all... Yeah. Yeah, let's use pastel colors. Oh, cool. So you can't see a fucking thing. Yeah, okay, you know, I mean, but whatever. Resize, you know, no change. Change DPI. Rotate. Vintage, watermark image. Watermark text. Wow, that's... Okay, you know, I mean, not bad. I mean, I wasn't expecting this to have a lot, to be honest, from the get-go, but, I guess you could say I'm just blown away that it actually did an SVG image with something complicated, because that's always been the thing that I've been told about SVGs is you want to keep them basic. You don't want to have whatever, because it's code that makes an image and a web page. Wow. I am very, very, very impressed with that. Let's see. I don't even know what other format. Let's see. No, probably not PSD, because I don't really have, because I think PSD's Photoshop. I think PSD's Photoshop, or maybe it's PS. I don't know. I don't have Photoshop, so I wouldn't know. Oh, I don't know what other format I could try. I mean, that SVG one was really that really took the cake. TIFF, you know, whatever. PDF. Yeah, sure. Why not? Let's combine two images. Oh yeah, I guess let's try the combine two images thing, since I'm doing PDF. Oh, select two or more images. Let's see. Let's see here. Where's that one? Okay, yeah, so we got that one. And we'll do this one, and that one, and this one, and that one, and that one, and that one. I don't know, I'm just selecting a whole bunch of different shit. Okay, now let's convert. Okay, so let me see what this thing's actually going to look like. It didn't combine nothing. Oh, because I didn't click the combine button. Oh, Jesus Christ, I'm an idiot. Okay, yeah, so combine. Hey, look, there we go. Alright, now let's combine. And to images. Yeah, let's open the file. Yeah, what the fuck? Okay, so let's see here. Ooh, that's really pixelated. I guess that's kind of a cool way if you want to show a portfolio, I guess you could say. You can save as a PDF. Okay, well, that's kind of cool. Let's get the pictures up again. I just want to delete all these. You know, all the ones I was just trying to make into a single file. Okay, so that's kind of cool, I guess, if you're into that. I can't believe, wow, I'm still floored over that. I just can't believe it did an SVG format with, I'm floored. I don't know what to say. Okay, so how about if I click resize? What if I say custom frame size? Okay, so super resolution, and just kind of, whoops, not 100 by 1. Okay, yeah. So this is something that I have to do for the site because of, or you know, for the website because things are a little weird. And initially, it would let me upload any size images, and now it doesn't let me do that anymore. So I always have to convert them every time. So I guess we're going to try to do that, at least for this for right now. So we'll do the 1000 by 1000. Oh, cool. And then it just checks it like so. Yeah, I think it just has. Oh, cool. So you can select all or remove all. Alright, yeah, so let's see what, actually I want to, set output folder. Yeah, let's set an output folder. Yeah, because otherwise things are going to get all weird here. So I'll just say we'll say website. I mean, I don't really have to post these, but you know, I'm just making it into a real world kind of thing, and probably not PDF. I know I've been doing portable networks graphic. So yeah, let's just see how well this thing works. Oh, you can only do 5 files at once. Okay. Okay, then let's just do 5 files then. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, how about alright then. Okay, so I knew there had to have been something about that. There's usually always a catch to something. Okay, so you can only do 5 files at a time. Which, I guess isn't too bad. Ooh, it is kind of sticking a little bit on that 12D, and so now it's got that converted, so now we're waiting on 8D. Okay, how about we take a look and let's see. Oh yeah, actually, photo. Oh, I'm an idiot. Yeah, website. Oh shit. Okay, so that took a while because that was an animated GIF. Okay, so that makes sense because I didn't pay attention to that. That's right, that's actually an animated GIF. Yeah, can't believe it's being all weird right now. Whoa, you can see it frame by frame. Well, somewhat frame by frame. That's crazy! Okay, yeah, so that makes sense. Whoopsie. Okay, whoopsie doodles. Okay, so that totally makes sense why that took as long as it did. Oh shit. Alright, yeah, so you probably don't want to convert an animation there. Well, I mean, it did it for that, but not really what it's supposed to do. Okay, well, that's kind of cool, I guess. What do we have for compression settings? Yeah, or we can use Expressive. So we could do 256 colors. I wonder if everything's different. I know SVG doesn't have anything because it's code. Let's check out JPEG. Yeah, okay, so each projected file size 1 meg. Yeah, so for each one, it has different sliders and quality, which makes sense because each file format's a little different. Oh, that's encoder settings. True color with transparency. Oh, wow. Or 8 bits. 256 colors. I didn't know you could really have transparency settings with bitmap. Interesting. What about docx? Do you have anything? Yeah, I thought so. GIF? Oh wow, nothing. Okay. Well, I guess that makes sense. It could be WDP. Oh, it's that JPEG XR format. Okay. Okay, that makes sense. Okay, well I know this is probably getting boring for you guys. I don't want to know this. Yeah, I know. Oh, encoder settings, it's interesting. Oh, select your paper type. That's... I guess that's cool. Man, exciting shit here. Let's see here. PSD, nah, no, there's nothing. TGA, I think that's a lossless format. Okay, yeah, that just does 256, which makes sense. TIFF's usually lossless. WBMP. Huh. WebP. Okay. Lossy, lossless. Oh wow, they can do lossless compression. Guess that's why it's widely used. EMF. Wow. Okay, this is pretty fucking cool. Okay, I'm not gonna lie. We're gonna do some more SVG conversions because I am. Wait. Uh-oh. Whoa. Oh, I think this is... Oh, yeah, no, it's just a GIF. Like, a non-animated... Yeah, I just gotta make sure that... Oh, wow, this is struggling right now. Ooh, boy. Yeah, this is really struggling right now. Alright, hold on. I'm going to have to close the program. Sure. Oh, yeah, that's right. You got to fill out a fucking form every time. Fuck. I mean, if I was keeping it, I'd be willing to do that. Alright, well, that's already not a good start there. Okay, hold on. Let me take a sip of water here. New features and bug fixes have been added. Okay, maybe that could be the reason why. Because I did download this a while ago, so this is an older version. Yeah, wow, 11.47. Okay, yeah, because I think I got 10 dot something. What? An application file cannot be written. Please close all the other applications, run the installer again. But I don't get it. How? Installer cannot be downloaded. Please check your internet connection. Well, the internet still shows that it's up. Wait, I think it did update, because that was down there, that was up there. Wait, oh yeah, there's menu bar. Oh no, I guess not. Still 10.86, that's really weird. Alright, tell you what, how about graphics download catalog now? Yeah, I guess. Maintenance release. Okay, yeah, I don't know. Well, just download it and we'll run it. I'm just gonna exit. Yeah. We'll take a look at that in a little bit. Yeah, so close that. Alright, yeah, so let's try running this update, and maybe it won't crash. So I'll give it that for now, because I am using an older version, because, you know, I downloaded this like a while ago, maybe about almost a year ago, give or take. Is it installing, or... Okay, here we go. I guess we're ready to go. Ooh. Well, that's... well, that's a completely different thing. But I think everything else is still about the same. Except for now, like, the effects just gives you effects here. Brick effects. Uh-oh, hold on. That could be my favorite effect. Alright, alright, so downloads full, yeah. Alright, so let's just put everything in here, and yeah, I'm definitely curious about trying to convert more things to SVG format. Because it's like I said, I mean, SVG's not necessary. Well, whoops. I mean, it is. Can I just maximize that? That's all I wanted to do. You know, I mean, it's an image. I mean, it sort of is, but you know, it's really meant for browsers and stuff. So beat this with a dead horse. I know that's an animated GIF. I know, I'm seeing some of my images and things that I saved over the years. Okay, so this can only do like 5 at a time unless you pay for a license, which I get. I totally get. Actually, did this still... Oh shit, there's compression settings for this. Oh, embed image convert. Okay. Ding, embed the image. Hold on. So if I click that, and let's just say I say save. Let's do this one. Yeah, let's do that one. Yeah. I'm just kind of curious to see. Okay, so this actually, it used to be, if you had open file, it would, let's see, download, website, that one. Oh, here we go. Yep, this is where it struggles. Okay, and that's not embedding the image, that's actually using coding to make that happen. Well, at least for now, but I want to double check some settings here. There's no effects on, right? No, there is no effects. Okay. What about resize? Oh wow, yeah. So they made this a lot better. Oh, way better than the 10. I mean, they kind of give everything well, they gave everything its own thing, which is a good and a bad thing at the same time. So you're not like crowded with everything, kind of like what we were dealing with before with the version 10. But now I guess it's kind of the bad thing is now if you want to see everything all in one thing, hey, check that out. More features and functions. Background. Still want my checker pattern, god damn it. Metadata, other. Okay. Okay, tell you what, how about we embed the image? And let's do that again. So I'm a little curious now. Actually, can I just change this? I don't even know if this is gonna... Can I just say Firefox? Since Firefox can... Okay, so it just... Okay, so this just embeds the image somehow and makes it into a code. Which is very interesting. Very, very, very interesting. Wow, though. Yeah, wow. Yeah, because this is still the same. So this is with it without it embedding the image. It's just it working its magic with what it can do with code, which I guess it can't really recognize colors or anything, is what I'm assuming. But that's pretty fucking impressive that it can do that, actually. Any differences with file formats? Not really. Well, I guess you got JPG 2. I know that wasn't there before. And they made it alphabetical order because I know that was like to the bottom, which makes sense. It's very interesting. Wow. Wow, to export as SVG, that is very, very impressive. Very impressive. Whoa, it can do animated. Hold on, it can do animated. Portable Networks graphic. Hold on a minute. Hold on a minute, let's... Yeah, hold on, let's see if this is actually going to work. Well, I mean the, what the hell? Oh shit. It looks like it will. Damn, that's for video pad. Wow. Pixillion. Oh wow, yeah, I don't know even know if... You know what, I got an idea here. What if I go to here, move over? Yeah, I can't do SVG. I think it completely skipped over it. Because if I go to open... No, there's no way. Yeah, I know this thing can play video files and stuff, but... Okay, well, shit. An animated portable networks graphic. Okay, I don't know. Guess... Yeah, I don't think I got anything else. I guess let's see what... this looks like. I'm wondering if I can... Can I maximize it? Oh shit, but I... Hold on guys, I gotta move my video pad editor here. Why did it do it down here? Come on. Hold on guys, I don't know why it's... Whoa shit. Almost closed my recording software. Yeah, what the fuck actually? Why does it want to do it down there but not up here? Undock to... Oh, Jesus Christ. What have I done? Okay, let me just put it here since I fucked everything up. Okay. Okay, there we go. No shit, you know what? I don't even know if you guys are seeing this. Yeah, actually, I don't think you guys seen any of that, did you? Oh, wait, maybe you did. Maybe I just don't... Okay, never mind, because I had like a preview window on my other screen here, so actually, hold on, wait, maybe it did work or something. Oh, fuck, hold on. Did the same fucking thing again. Okay, if I maximize it, and then it did it here, I don't know why it did it. I mean, I know you could see here, but I want to do like comparisons and stuff. Why is this having such an issue? What is going on here? I don't get it. Are you gonna do it down here again? Can I... Yeah, I don't know why in the world it keeps showing up down here. Yeah, I don't know. But while we... Okay, well here's clip preview, so can I maximize... Jesus, so it's like I got a double maximize or something. I don't know what the fuck's up with that. Okay, there we go. So at least now I can see it. I mean, even though I think that we might have already seen this, but... Hey, what the hell? Play, you bastard. Is that, yeah, it's loop. Okay, there we go. Wow, that's pretty crystal clear, to be honest, but I think it was already like that, though. Let me exit. Let's see here. I guess let's see with, we're just doing some comparisons and stuff. Where is that at? I think I passed it. I think I forgot the name of it. So hold on, let me see here. Okay, 9C. Forgot the name of it. Numbers on the top, or let's see here. Usually it's numbers on the top. Oh, I'm an idiot. It's been right here the whole time. Alright. Yeah. Okay, actually, what if we do full screen? Can't really remember. Believe there is. Well, I know there's slideshow, but wait, view. Oh, full screen. Enter. I mean, I gotta admit, that a portable networks graphic, well, animated portable networks graphic, looks a lot better than a GIF, which I'm not surprised, because there's, what is it, dathering, yeah, dathering and stuff. That's what all these little specs and stuff are going on, trying to make all the pixels work. Okay, so just said enter. Yeah, that looks very gritty. At least, we do, maximize here, and if I just put it on loop, I mean, don't get me wrong. I mean, you can kind of see pixelization, like, around here and stuff. I mean, it isn't that bad when it's if I'm moving the mouse around, you got the taskbar here, you can barely see it, but if I leave it alone, it definitely does color selection a lot better, and it's a lot more clear. Wow. Oh wow, I'm very impressed. Very impressed. Wow, it's a pretty damn good converter. Yeah, I don't really have anything to play. Well, actually, if I really want to be, I believe Firefox can. Yeah, Firefox can. Yeah, actually, you do get a little bit of dathering, at least in the web browser. Which, speaking of that, I guess let me open up the GIF file in the web browser, because this is probably where people, or I guess it depends however that you're going to share your images. There we go. Hold on, I just want to get this like lined up almost perfectly, so I think I'm just going to do there to there. You know, actually, I don't see much of a difference in the web browser. I mean, when it comes to the web browser, there is not much of a difference, but yeah, you still got the dithering and everything, so I guess it just depends on, well, I guess if you want to download it and you have like a program that can actually run it, you know, kind of like with me, I got, you know, Video Pad editor, so I mean that does a pretty good job previewing and running it, which makes it look a lot better because all you really see is pixelization, like where the colors change and stuff. Unlike here, it's just dithering wherever there should be like shadows and things like that. So yeah, but it looks about the same, honestly. Yeah, like I don't see much of a difference. There's some white dithering here in that bottom red. Yeah, like I really don't see a difference. Well, at least when it comes to Firefox viewing it. Well, that's very interesting. Very interesting indeed. Okay. Well, that's pretty cool. Let's see here. Actually, I'll grab that and move that back down here, at least for now. Wow, okay. What does APNG do? I think just resize image, smooth. Sharp. Yeah, I guess you could try to fix it somehow. You could try to do that. At least for the effects. What the hell is IIF? You got JPG2. Oh yeah, JPEG 2000. Yeah, I guess if you really want to be very specific and weird about things and specifications. Alright, I guess for our final hurrah, since I'm so fascinated on the SVGs, I'm going to convert 5 since it's 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, so we'll do this one up to here. Well, at least then it said it could. Yeah, and then let's embed the image, because damn, that would be nice for the website. Because I'm kind of curious here too, like for file sizes, because I think it well, I don't know, actually I think it makes it a little bigger. Well, that one, but it's embedding the image somehow in the code, so I think it's going to make the, yeah, it does make the files bigger. It's interesting. Actually, you know what? Just go to here, here, here. No, I already know we got those, so let's just do one of these numbers. Just open them up. Pretty crazy. Yeah, well, I guess that's, wow, so PNG, wow. Yeah, well, I mean, it is absolute formatting too. Yeah, hold on. Let's see here. So let's say if I want this. Oh yeah, I'm an idiot. Of course it does that. Yeah, it definitely makes the file size bigger, but what if I resize? Custom pixels. Just curious, what if I do 300 by 300? Wow. Sharp square pixels. Blurry pixels. Okay. Yeah, I don't know. Let's see here. See what it did. Shit, I forgot which one. Oh yeah, Blue Dragon. Oh, here we go. Yeah, did it. 300 by 300. Yeah, I guess. Yeah, I guess for something like that, it just saves as a portable network graphic. Which is actually kind of interesting, because what about this? Oh, yeah, save image as. Oh, yeah. See, that one actually saves as scalable vector graphic. Probably because that's a true scalable vector graphic, because it's basic. I mean, it makes sense. You know, it's an SVG that'll work if you want something different, because it'll embed the image. But if you don't, so you know, if we do the same thing again, and then this time we just convert to trace, I'm sure it's going to look much different. Yeah, that actually looks kind of cooler. Yeah, which kind of makes sense because it's meant to be basic, so line art, not really colors and all that other stuff. I mean, you can add colors, obviously, but it's meant to be basic, you know? So I guess you could get away with that, you know, with that, but actually, if I just see, yeah, here you go. This is true SVG right here. It's all vector graphics. Yeah, so yeah, that's true vector graphics. Okay. I mean, it ain't necessarily bad, you know, for embedding the image and everything and still making it SVG format. But I'm pretty sure, see, this is actually going to save this as a web page. because this is everything that's on here as compared to here on the website. You know, here you can actually save just that image, and then, you know, there you go. Wow, that's very interesting. Very, very, very interesting. But I mean, that makes sense though. But that does look pretty cool after doing that, I'm not gonna lie. See, and that made it what it needed to be, because, you know, with you making it into an SVG with embedded, then of course it's going to make it bigger. Yeah, but the benefits of, you know, so just a little basic thing here, the benefits of SVG for vector graphics is it's always going to be the same regardless of where you put it, and it'll always come out the same aspect ratio, same everything, because it's coding that tells it where to put everything at in a page format. So I don't know if, well, I think it would probably do it for these perhaps, since it does save it as that, but I just don't think it is as it should be as compared to that. Yeah, let's try some yeah, actually, I'm curious. Let's try some of these other ones. I'm just curious to see what the fuck they look like. Loading effects. There shouldn't be any effects, honestly. That's basic. That should work, hopefully. Just curious. I mean, it's 2 kilobytes. Oh, shit. Made it bigger. Oh, fuck. It's a TIFF format. I guess it's something I scanned. No, it's not. It's something that I saved as. Yeah, I just want to try some of these with the electric machine output, which is technically how that should be. Okay, yeah, that got smaller, which is good. Then again, TIFF file sizes are pretty big. Oh yeah, that's animation. Yeah, I guess so. I'm just curious to see like how much of a difference everything looks. All right, let me make this my last one. Whoa. Yeah, obviously that turned out good. Yeah, that's not too bad, I guess. Yeah, it does not do. Well, I wouldn't say it doesn't do a lot. I mean, because it's supposed to be basic shapes, you know? So for it to do this, actually, I guess is pretty impressive. Okay, that's a bit overkill with the background. Yeah, it turned out pretty well. I don't know why it got these. It's very interesting how it gets these little things here and there. That actually looks pretty good. Wow. Oop, let's see here. I know I'm really I know I'm really getting into this. But, you know, I mean, I think that's about it. I think this is all that you can really do. I mean, it's like I said, the SVG one, that's the one that tickles me pink. And at least the version 11 has A, P, and G for if you have animations, which isn't bad. So, this really isn't that bad, to be honest. It's not. It really isn't. I do like it kind of a lot, to be honest, but maybe like it a lot's a big thing to say. I mean, I guess because you just get so many different things that you can do and whatnot. I guess that just always expresses my fancy. What about print? Does print actually print? Does it 4x6? That's cool. Times 4. Whoa. That's kind of cool, I guess. I guess that was an invalid image dimension. Photo paper sizes. US paper sizes. That's crazy. And I guess you could just say print. Will it actually print? Oh wow. Oh wow, so it's like a very customizable it's printed as a PDF. Yeah. Yeah, let's open it. Ooh, that didn't turn out too good. Well, not surprised, because resolution and stuff. Ooh. That's cool. I guess that's cool, I don't know. Yeah, I guess you could just click over here too for output formats. It's kind of weird how you got a box here, but then you got this over here. I guess if you just want to, you know, go with it. And of course you got your boy Laz here. There you go. You know. So, Alright, so how about we close this program and see if anything weird's going to happen? Because I know that's kind of the thing when it comes to these NCH software packages, is it's kind of a, you could use as much as you want the first time, and then the second time you go back in. Okay, so I guess it here you go. Your previous conversion included custom effects. Do you want to load? Yeah, no, you can clear them. See, that's the thing too. It says non-commercial use for home use only. So I'm wondering if there's just a limit on, you can only do 5 files at a time, as compared to all of them if you pay for it. Is the only thing I could think of. Because, if I want to re-add this folder again, pick up where I left off. Well, sort of pick up where I left off. Nope. Yeah, as GIFs. I don't. Yeah, what if I say PDF and combine? Actually, will it do the whole thing as a PDF? I'm just curious. Oh, wow. Oh yeah, well, I'm not surprised it's going to do all the GIFs like that too, but I just want to see if it's actually going to do. That without any issues after closing, because it's like I said, usually there's, usually hey, it's a trial thing. Oh, well, yeah, let's open a file. Just do page down. Oh wow, yeah, this did a better job saving frame by frame, for sure. It's almost like a flip book. Yeah, that might give somebody an epileptic seizure. Okay. Well, that's cool. 701, because I know it's whatnot, Wow, I can't believe it, yeah, I didn't have a problem with that, but I think if we did compress, oh, I think it's just kind of like encoder settings. I think that's all it does. Yeah, because other than that, then you could zip the file. Actually, how big is that PDF? A 100 megs. Which I guess if you how big is this? I mean, I guess that ain't too bad. Yeah, I mean, it's 147 and it's only 145 because I got compression enabled. Well, actually, hold on, wait. How about we double check that? Because I do have compression enabled. Yeah, no, it's 100 because it's 99.1 on the disk. Yeah, I guess that ain't too bad, but that's if you like PDF format for your images, which I guess is good once again if you have a portfolio. Huh, okay. I'm not gonna lie, guys. I didn't think I was really gonna be into this. As I thought this one was probably gonna be a pretty short, sweet, and simple one. But wow, I'm very impressed that. Huh. Okay. Well, anyways, let's do SVG. Yeah, let's do WebP, and let's just select all. See if it's gonna have an issue. Contains multiple images. Actually, hold on. Hold on, I want to see what WebP actually does for. If you got yourself an animation, a GIF animation. See, the file you're converting contains multiple images. Convert as a multi-page or convert every page as a separate. Yeah, actually, yeah. Let's see what that one does, because I don't know if WebPs can do animations actually. That's something I never really looked into. I know WebMs or web movies, but excuse me. I don't know. Let's find out. Let's find out together. Let's see what it does. Okay, there it is. I think it can be viewed here. I don't know. Okay, it can't. Alright, I didn't know if InfraView could or couldn't. It cannot. Alright, how about Firefox? Oh shit, what? That's wrong folder. Oh wow. Wow, you can actually have WebP. Wow, WebP can do animations too. Wow, and that actually looks pretty. Damn, that looks better than the GIF or the APNG. But I guess if we really want to split hairs, which we're totally going to split hairs, where is... Yeah, let's open up this APNG. Yeah, there's still dathering there. There isn't as much... I don't really notice it here. But here, you can just... I mean, you could see it here and here. And you can barely see it as a WebP. Oh, wow. That is very, very, very shocking. Wow. Okay, you know what? Let's get the GIF out. Where is it? That's Cylinder Photos. Yeah, this one just does not really have dathering here. Wow. You know, GIFs usually have dathering, but you know, GIF's a pretty universal format that can play on a lot of devices. Because I know APNG isn't really everywhere, but at least in the web browser, you get dathering. But if you have it in a player, like how I have VideoPad, it's really smooth and clear. Well, not smooth, but you got like pixelization where where the colors change, or where you got two different colors and stuff. You got heavy pixelization, but then you got WebP over here, and I mean, there is almost non-existing dathering. At least before, it would be here and like here, and you see some here and a little bit here. I mean, I know there was some on the cheek for sure as we go back, but I mean, it is hardly noticeable. Damn, I learned something new. I didn't know WebP could do animation images. I did not know that. Okay, that's very, very interesting. I didn't know that. Very interesting. Okay. Okay, so how about I'm going to make a folder. I'm just going to put WP or WebP because I don't know. I think it's going to let me do the whole thing. Oh, okay, so there's your cost right there. I just noticed. So there's your cost right there. Wow, that is fucking huge. 22.47 megs. Wow, yikes. That is really huge. From 8 megs. From 8 meg GIF. So actually, I want to take a look at file sizes now. How big is this again? Oh yeah, it's 102. And then that said it was 20. Yeah. Wow. Yeah, but I guess I don't know. But I mean, it's like I said. I think the APNG is kind of the victor for this one. For the animations, which I've always heard APNG is always better, but you don't have a lot of devices and software that can play it. Hence, at least locally on my computer, that's why I had to use VideoPad because I don't have anything else. Wow, those are some big differences there. So I guess that's the thing to keep in mind for file conversion if you do anything like that. Wow, that's huge. Okay, anyways, I just want to do a mass. I just want to see if this thing's going to be weird. If I say, hey, do everything. Because I know the last time it said, oh, you can only do 5. Oh yeah, just apply it to all. Oh wow, it's rocking and rolling. That's kind of weird that, I mean, unless if it's just like this because, it's for home use. I don't know. Let's see if this can go through everything, and then I want to close it and open it back up because there's usually a catch to this. But I'm not going to lie, if there's no catch to this, I might start using this. But I mean, we're going to take a look at licensing and things like that too. I just want to see how far along you can keep doing this before it's going to push back. So I would say we've had one crash so far, but that was me using version 10 dot something that I downloaded. That's when I was browsing the site is when I downloaded that. So so this one has bug fixes and everything, and right now we're using 11.47. Yeah, so I mean, I don't know. I mean, the thing I've always heard about WebP as well is like it's optimized for web posting, so where the file size isn't too big, and then it still keeps the right kind of resolution and everything. At least that's what I've been mostly told, more so than looked into. I mean, I considered using WebP on my website, but it just doesn't work right. Honestly, like it'll show the image, but then it's like, I don't know, it just kind of breaks the code, and I think it's just because of how old the content system manager is for the site. You know, I think when it was developed, I don't think WebP was a thing. Even though you can say, hey, run web or utilize the format WebP, and the browser knows what to do, but I think the site needs to know what the hell to do. Wow, so it did everything. All 193 images and sort of animations. Wow. Okay. Well, I don't know, let's take a look, shall we? Wow. Wowee. Actually, I'm kind of curious. Is there a plugin for that? Don't look like it. I guess I gotta see if there is a plugin. It's okay. You know where I know it definitely runs? Firefox. Okay, I just want to see here. Yeah, I select that one. That one that's animated. I know that one's animated. Yeah, let's see what that one looks like. Of course, we'll get our boy Laz here. Yeah, sure. Oh, shit. It can only do like one file, can it? Yeah, never mind. I'm a fucking retard. Here I am clicking all this shit. They go, oh, cool, it'll just open up all this shit. No, it won't. Even if I do that, it's only going to open up one file, so I just want to find an animation. Yeah, how about that one? Yeah, wow, I am very shocked that like that works. Huh. Very interesting. Yeah, I think this one is definitely animated. Yeah, that's shocking. It's very shocking. Alright, well, hold on. So I just want to do a quick little comparison thing. So 78.3 compared to 147. Wow. Does a good job converting or whatever. I mean, that's a huge difference for saving it as a WebP format. I mean, hell, if we want to do side-by-side comparisons, I mean, what we had, well, actually, hell, we could probably just look at this here. So which ones did we get? So we did The Draco the Dragon Time to Eat. Okay, that's a little annoying. Alright, so, obviously bigger. And then we got that Hailstorm Paw. So, let's get H's. 301, 264. But I mean, even if you think about it, what the hell? Oh yeah, that's right. That one's also an animation too. Well, actually, that went lower. I don't know. Just look at the draw, I guess. And obviously, it depends on whatever you want to do for your, for your library and your site and your things and whatnot. Wow, I'm really shocked about that. I can't believe it. Yeah, because before it did we can't do any more than 5. Okay, well, let's try to break the program, shall we? Actually, hold on. What other format can we do? How about a format I can read? Okay. Yeah, let's do JPG. Most of them are already like that. I don't want to do that. Let's do JPG2. It's a very specific format. Actually, I don't know why the hell I did that. I don't care. I can do the 10 million things. It's fine. Yeah, let's do JP2. Okay, yeah, let's do JP2 format, and let's see if it'll do that and convert. Here we go. Ding, ding, ding. We hope you enjoyed your free trial of Pixillion Plus. Okay, let's check out the special pricing. Ding, ding, ding. That's exactly what I was looking for. Okay, so that's see if I installed the version 10. They're always doing something. There's always a deal going on. I think they make it seem like it's that, but I think it's always this price. Alright, so let's see here. If we look at pricing, we got Pixillion Image Format Converter, the premium edition, at $39.95, which is fully featured single installation license. You got the standard edition, which is all image converting without effects such as watermarking. So, I guess if you just want to convert things for $29.99. And then you got the limited edition, which is image file conversion only, so imaging tools and effects aren't included. So, that's you just want to convert files. I'm pretty sure you could probably, still edit things like, resolution and things like that for $20. So, I guess the pricing isn't too bad. Like, if you look at everything that this thing can do, I guess it comes down to how often you use it and what do you need to use it for. I guess is what that comes down to, and then you can buy the right edition. But I guess it's kind of cool that they got 3 different editions, because if all you really care about is just formatting or conversion, then well, for fucking $20 for a perpetual license, off you go. the quarterly plan. I just don't get that. I don't get it. But I guess I don't know. I guess you just got to do the math or whatever. I think that's more for businesses and things. So if you have so many users or whatever, yeah, it's just weird. I mean, I get it, but I, I'm a one and done kind of guy. Okay. Okay, I see. I mean, all right. It's pretty cool, I guess. I mean, it does exactly as advertised. Can't complain. Yeah, ding, ding, ding. There we go. I knew that was coming up sooner or later. That was the only reason why I was just abusing the fuck out of it. So, yeah. So, I think the version 10 would only let you do 5 at a time. And then I don't know how many times it would let you do that before it would, say, oh, no, you got to purchase it or whatever. So, well, yeah, I don't know, but yeah, I guess that's Pixillion for you. Not that bad, not that bad at all. But I mean, I guess it depends on however you look at it. All right, everybody. Well, that was the look at Pixillion. Not a bad software, to be honest. I think it's pretty good for anybody that just wants to do any kind of conversions and whatnot. It does. I guess you could say it does a lot more than what I expected. I can't believe I spent as much time as I did on it. I kind of thought it was probably going to be, I don't know, like a 45-minute to an hour long video because, I mean, it's just image conversion, go from, you know, a JPEG to a PNG or to a GIF or to a specialty type of format that we kind of touch base on. Software program is pretty good. Does exactly as it says. The just kind of covering back over the SVG formats. I know I spent a lot of time covering those formats, and the thing is, it's not that new of a format for SVG, but that's the thing to kind of consider if you do get software, if you do look into SVG. Kind of like what I said, it's a vector graphic, so it's not necessarily an image for viewing in general. It's a graphical image element to be added to a web page, and as we've seen with the program, you can pretty much add an image as is to it, and it'll work every time. But I'm not sure if it's still going to keep the same graphical vector elements that you necessarily want to have for that image. If you say, hey, I just want the exact same copy of the image posted, as we've seen, you can make it where it should be a vector graphic, and then obviously you don't get all the colors and all the specific details and stuff, and that's technically what an SVG image is. Definitely a fun little learning experiment too at the same time. At least upgrading to the version 11 as compared to the 10, that gave us the extra ability to do APNG, which is animated portable networks graphics, and as we've seen, it does a better job than GIF, obviously, because you got more color options and better gradients and things than what GIFs can do. Because I think GIFs can only do like 256 colors, I believe. I know that it's limited, and that's also the other reason why you see a lot of dithering for very busy images and or animations as well. So that kind of covers that backstory a little bit, if you never really knew about it. But the APNG works pretty good if you got software to view it and whatnot. But obviously, it's a very specific and particular format that a lot of players and web pages and things like that, or browsers per se, not really web pages, but I guess you could say web pages, if they don't have that format supported, it doesn't really play or anything. It could just be like a static image. Because I know the first time I ran into an APG image was a long time ago, and that's when I learned about it. And the browser that I was using, which was Safari at the time, I think about, I don't know, 7 or 10 years ago, it just wouldn't play it, which makes sense. Now, this day and age with more modern browsers and stuff, it's supporting much more formats, as well as WebP images. I'm a little shocked that, it can take an animated GIF and you can view an animation in that, and at least for myself, that looks way better than an APNG or a GIF. But that kind of goes back to the same thing too. You don't have a lot of software packages out there that supports that format too. So for local viewing, it doesn't really work too well. But then again, for WebP format, that's more for websites, posting on the web. So that, and then all the different price points that the software packages have. Well, the software package and then its sub packages isn't necessarily all that bad, depending on whatever you want to do, however often you want to do it. Where I know I can weigh in. Initially, I was thinking, wow, this might be something I might actually get for myself, for for Laz.net work and for the few things that I do. But then it kind of came back to, well, I don't really do conversions all that often to images. I really only do it when I absolutely necessarily have to do it. And even for what I was stating, in the video before, my site's being a little weird where, it has to be certain resolution size for it to really upload to the website, even though I have the settings set up the way how I want it, just wouldn't take it. But that's the thing though, is I use the InfraView, and that has a batch option to batch it to whatever resolution size and whatever file format that I want, and that's completely for free. And I probably would only be using the Pixillion program maybe but once a year. So even paying the $19.99 cost just to do conversions and stuff, I just don't see it being worth it for myself to utilize when I already have software that can do a batch of however many images and however I want to do it and whatnot and get it done. So that's kind of the thing for that for me and whatnot. I know the SVG thing was something, and that was probably the biggest thing that was really taken to me the most, was that, only because you don't have a lot of programs that I know of that can do that could do vector imaging like that. Like even most art programs and stuff, you just can't do it. So really you just have to be able to picture a blank canvas, know what points and what shapes you want to try to do, and then code them and whatnot. As you kind of seen a little bit while I was looking at the code for the differences from keeping images absolute or exactly as they are to, hey, make them where a machine can utilize it or whatever, which machines are pretty basic. But I feel like overall and through, I'd probably give this program a 10 out of 10. It's pretty good. It does exactly what it says. It has a lot of I wouldn't say features. It does have features, but I guess it's kind of up to you however you want to use it. If you're an artist that is just trying to kind of downscale your images and things like that, and you want to add a watermark, well, you could do that, no problem. You can add a watermark to everything. You can, So, it just depends however you want to do it. And granted, if you want that, well, you can get the $29.99 option instead of the $39.99. So, it's like I said, I think the price points, and depending on however often or however important you think it is to you, I think is what's really going to sell it for you. I know for me, it's kind of a no-go. But yeah, that's about it. And this concludes our journey going down the NCH Software. So more than likely, this is the last video that I'm doing of this, and going to be moving on to the next topic video. So until next time, guys.